In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store to download your new app you wish to use as a default one. In my case, Firefox browser. Make sure your app is ready before you continue, and when it is, exit Play Store and go into Settings. Finally, scroll a tiny bit to hit Apps and select Default Apps. Now it's time to click on one of those sections to adjust it. In my case, Browser app. Tap on your new downloaded app you want to apply as a default. And when you're done, click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!